Yeah. Let's go. Yo, listen up. I'm using that new system here, that new screen recording. Now me, I'm still getting used to it. Now I'm talking about, but don't worry about that. Focus on the content. All right, so we just, like I say, I'm gonna keep AMD on my watch list for tomorrow. Okay, let's see what Tesla doing. Tesla be playing a lot, but you know what? You gotta love Tesla. You know what I'm saying? You gotta love Tesla because if you learn how to play Tesla, you can make mad money with Tesla. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, you can lose a lot of money with Tesla. You know what I'm saying? I own Tesla share, but I be day trading Tesla too. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at the chart to see what it's telling us, right? Okay. I wouldn't know what Tesla been up to, right? So I wouldn't know during the election. You know, during the election, Tesla was just acting up. Well, not really. When Trump and Elon Musk the relationship was good. You know, people think that Elon Musk make the best move. And this shit stop fucking up, shit stop falling apart, and people were like, "Oh yeah, you shouldn't mix power with politics, all this type of bullshit." I'm talking about when we was winning, you know, people quickly switched to be a little bitch on the wheel. You know what I'm saying? Like when we was winning, everybody making money with Tesla. Like, yeah. Elon Musk is a genius. You know what I'm talking about? And then things start fucking up. Oh, I don't know why Elon Musk went to politics, huh? Yeah. Shut the fuck up, bro. Like, when you was winning, everything was all good, right? Now you losing, you be crying like a little bitch. Alright, so let's look at what Tesla did. I don't really get time for that. I think if you check out some of my previous videos, I already touched on that. You know what I mean? Not moving backwards here. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. Do we see a trend? Okay, let's clean up this chart a little bit. Let's clean up the chart. See if we can identify some trend. I don't really fucking know what Tesla is doing. I'm not sure if I'm talking loud enough. If you can't hear me, drop a comment and let me know. You already know what to do. What the business is. Holla. Alright, so let's see what Tesla doing here. Alright. Tesla been very choppy, right? Okay. I can't even see any trend. I don't even know. Looking at this chart, I don't know what Tesla try to do. You know what I'm talking about? Look at this. I can quickly see a double tap coming up here, December. Yeah, so yeah, I already noticed that. They try to reclaim the previous all-time high. They try to reclaim that, but when Trump come, I thought he will reclaim it last week until Trump come running his mouth. You know what I'm saying? Then everything went sideways. You know what I'm saying? Everything went down. It was a big sell-off. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta understand where they coming from in terms of like we got earnings season here, and we got the holidays coming up. So I think they try to pull the market back, and so they can take it back up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here we are. So Tesla been in the downtrend for some time. Hold on, let me make this thicker so we can see that bitch. What you call it? Make that blue. I don't know. Okay, I don't really matter. Alright, so yeah, we've been in a downtrend, but look at here, we reversed a little bit. Right now, Tesla been consolidating for a minute. Let me see. That's consolidation, man. I think I see a symmetrical triangle here. Alright, so he break that triangle. He's been in a triangle for a minute. Let me see. That was from June It been trading around 350, 270, 3. Yeah, it been. So it break this pattern here, and then it take off, right? It take off, and went all the way to 480, 470, right? So you know what? I think Tesla is another stick I'm gonna keep an eye on, cause look at here, it break this pattern, you understand? And then let me see, October 2nd, it pulled back from 428, went back up. Friday, yeah, that was a nice pullback. Let's see here. That's hold on, give me a sec. Let's see if we can bring multiple time frame with Tesla here. Okay, so keep that daily and let's do 1 hour here. Hold up, that bit changed though. Okay, give me a second. I fix that shit. Alright, so let's keep this hourly. Let's switch that daily. Okay. Alright, so what we got here? What we got here with Tesla? So Tesla break this pattern since since September. So it was on his way up. So let's see what we got on a smaller time frame, right? Let's see what we got. Alright. So we got, hold on. Where did it break the pattern here? Break the pattern. Hold on. Let's see. What the fuck, man? Just pull that shit in 1 hour. Fuck, it switched to daily for me. Yeah, hold up, man. I'm a bit tripping. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to have to make another video.